For decades, humanity has searched the cosmos with one assumption burned into our strategy. If aliens exist, they must communicate the way we do, through radio waves. Massive radio telescopes, endless listening, decades of silence. But here's the uncomfortable question no one likes to ask. What if the silence isn't because no one is talking? What if it's because we're listening in the wrong language? What if advanced civilizations abandoned radio centuries ago, the same way we abandoned smoke signals? Tonight we're stepping beyond radio waves into the strange, unsettling possibilities of how extraterrestrial intelligence might actually communicate. And once you see these possibilities, the universe may never feel quiet again. The radio silence problem. SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, has spent over half a century scanning the sky for radio signals. And what have we found? Nothing definitive. No clear messages. No cosmic hello. This raises a disturbing possibility. Radio waves may be a primitive phase of communication, a short-lived technological adolescence. Radio leaks energy. It weakens over distance. It's noisy, inefficient, and easily drowned out by cosmic interference. For an advanced civilization spanning star systems or galaxies, radio would be like trying to whisper across an ocean. So what comes after radio? Neutrinos, messages that pass through everything. Imagine a signal that can pass through planets, through stars, through entire galaxies, almost untouched. That signal already exists. Neutrinos. These ghost-like particles barely interact with matter. Trillions pass through your body every second without you noticing. Advanced civilizations could encode information into neutrino bursts, sending messages that ignore cosmic dust, magnetic fields, and distance. To us, neutrinos look like random noise from supernovas and cosmic events. But what if some of those natural bursts aren't natural at all? What if they're engineered messages, and we've been mistaking conversations for background static? Gravitational waves, writing messages into space-time itself. In 2015, humanity confirmed something Einstein predicted a century earlier. Gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time. They pass through the universe unchanged, carrying information about massive cosmic events. Now imagine a civilization capable of manipulating gravity. They wouldn't send signals through space. They would write messages into space. Patterns in gravitational waves could encode vast amounts of information, visible to any civilization, advanced enough to read the universe itself. To us, these waves look like distant black hole collisions. But what if some of them are intentional? What if the universe is already vibrating with messages, and we've only just learned how to feel them? Quantum entanglement, instant communication across light years. Quantum physics allows something deeply unsettling. Two particles can become entangled, linked in such a way that changing one instantly affects the other, regardless of distance. No delay, no signal traveling, no light speed limit. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. An advanced civilization might build communication systems based on quantum entanglement, allowing instant information exchange across star systems. Not messages traveling through space, but information existing outside space. If aliens communicate this way, radio telescopes would never detect them. We wouldn't be missing their signals. We'd be blind to their entire communication layer. Cosmic rays and artificial patterns. Every second, Earth is bombarded by high-energy cosmic rays. We assume they're random, leftovers of exploding stars and violent galaxies. But randomness has patterns, and patterns can be engineered. Sufficiently advanced intelligence could modulate cosmic rays, embedding information into particle streams that look natural, unless you know exactly what to look for. To primitive observers, it's noise. To advanced listeners, it's language. How many random cosmic events have we already misclassified? The most disturbing possibility, consciousness as the medium. Now we enter truly uncomfortable territory. What if communication doesn't happen through machines at all? What if consciousness itself is the channel? Some theories suggest consciousness may be a fundamental property of the universe, like space, time, or gravity. Advanced beings may not transmit signals. They may interface. Dreams, sudden insights, collective intuition, unexplainable experiences shared across cultures. Not messages spoken aloud, but meanings implanted. If this is true, alien contact wouldn't look like spaceships landing. It would look like humanity slowly realizing it was never alone, only unaware. Why we might not be ready. This brings us to a harder truth. What if aliens are communicating, but deliberately indirectly? Because direct contact could destabilize a civilization. Human history shows what happens when less advanced societies encounter more advanced ones. Collapse, chaos, exploitation. A truly advanced intelligence might choose subtlety over shock, not announcing themselves, but nudging understanding forward, waiting until we can listen without fear. The final question. So where does this leave us? Surrounded by a universe that may already be speaking in languages we're only beginning to comprehend. Neutrinos, gravity, quantum links, consciousness itself. The silence may not be emptiness. It may be humility. Because the most unsettling possibility isn't that we're alone. It's that we've never been alone. And the universe has been talking this whole time, waiting for us to finally learn how to listen